Jury selection continues in the capital murder trial of Marco Antonio Perez. He's a Theodore man charged with gunning down Mobile police officer Sean Tudor in 2019.
Fox 10 News' Brendan Kirby in studio with us right now. He's been monitoring this entire process. He's got the very latest for us. Brendan, are we getting any closer?
Yeah, we are, Byron and Lenise. You know, they take their time with death penalty cases. Originally, Judge Ben Brooks had hoped to have the jury in place by last Friday, but it's gone slower than expected. The courtroom was closed to the public today while defense lawyers and prosecutors spent another day reviewing the men and women who could serve on that jury that will decide Perez's guilt or innocence. The lawyers were trying to find 18 people who are acceptable to both sides, 12 jurors and 6 alternates who would be prepared to take over if any of the jurors can't make it until the end of what's expected to be one of the longest trials in Mobile County's history. We now expect that those jurors will be seated at 1:30 p.m. tomorrow. In the morning, Judge Brooks will conduct a hearing to settle disagreements among the lawyers about whether certain evidence can or cannot be presented at trial. Things are still fluid, though, and that schedule could change. When the trial finally does get underway, prosecutors will have to prove that Perez intentionally killed Tudor and that the plainclothed officer was on duty at the time. That's the aggravating factor that could make this capital murder. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty here. That means that if the jury finds Perez guilty of capital murder, prosecutors will present additional evidence in support of their argument that he should be executed. Reporting live from the studio, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.